Grain futures were mixed at the close with corn higher, soybeans and wheat on the weaker side. This following today's monthly WASDE report. And before we get into the report though, let's go over some of the closing prices. At the close, December corn futures 4 cents higher to settle at 4.14 3/4. November soybeans, they lost 2.5 cents to settle at 10.65 1/4. And September Chicago wheat, they're the leader to the downside, settling 20.5 cents lower to 5.50 3/4, right near the lows from earlier in the year. Now on the report side of things, the big surprise was a big drop in U.S. corn ending stocks. U.S. ending stocks for old crop corn came in at 1.877 billion bushels, well below the average analyst estimate of 2.049. New crop carryout came in at 2.097 billion bushels, again well below the average estimate, and that was 2.312 billion, and this helped aid the rally in corn through today's trade. Now, old crop and new crop ending stocks for soybeans also below expectations, albeit a little bit more in line than what we saw in the corn. Ending stocks for wheat were reported at 856 million bushels. That was well above the average analyst of 788 million bushels, hence why wheat may have been under the heaviest pressure today. Now, on the production side, there were a few changes for corn and soybean data, which is pretty on par for this month's report. Next month's report could be a tad bit more exciting, as the survey-based report could impact yield changes a little bit more. Now, weather will continue to be monitored very closely going forward. As with each year, there are pockets of concern and pockets that are pretty good, or the have and have not, so to say. Many analysts feel, though, that those areas with great conditions are more than offsetting those areas of concern.